Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Fertilizer and I'm from 11 Science 1 LTI IGM Senior High School. In this video, I want to tell you guys how to make organic liquid fertilizer from vegetable waste. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. The equipment that we need are gloves to protect and keep our hands clean, a plastic funnel, an empty 600 milliliters bottle, tablespoon, chopstick, knife, and cutting board. And the last is measuring jug. Okay, for the ingredients, we need of course the vegetable waste. The amount of waste is up to you. You can use as many as you want. The more waste you use, the better results you will get. And actually in this video, I used more than this, but because the rest of waste is a little bit inappropriate to be seen, so I am only showing you this much. Hey. Next, we need about 500 milliliters of rice rinse water, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, and also we will need active microorganisms 4 or M4 to ferment the waste into fertilizer. Move on to the processing steps. First, cut all the waste into small pieces to provide a broader surface for microorganisms to grow. Next, take your bottle, your plastic funnel, and pour all the rice rinse water into the bottle. Then, we put all the waste that we chopped before into the bottle. And this is the looks after I put all the waste I have. After that, take about 2 bottle lid of M4 and pour it into the fertilizer bottle. Also pour all the sugar into the same bottle. Sugar is gonna be the food for all the microorganisms in the fertilizer. And the next step is mix. Mix well all the ingredients till they're perfectly blended and all the sugar dissolved. When you feel like the mixture has completely blended, put the bottle lid back and keep it somewhere damp and dark. Let the fermentation process works for 2 weeks and make sure to mix it once every 2 days. After 2 weeks, when the fertilizer starts to smell like tape and doesn't smell bad, then it means your organic liquid fertilizer from vegetable waste is ready to be used.